Good morning children. Welcome to your maths class. Children, in the previous class we have done chapter number 3, subtraction. So today again we will revise that chapter. First of all, I want to explain you what is called the subtraction. Children, we know that taking away is called the subtraction and the sign for subtraction is minus. Now children, here are few examples. I will explain you how to solve this. Now here we have two numbers 45 and 28. We have to subtract 28 from 45. So 45 is called the number and as 28 we have to subtract from 45. So 28 is called the subtrahend. And whatever the answer will get after subtraction, that answer is called the difference. Now let's solve this. In the ones place we have 5 and 8. From 5 we cannot subtract 8 because 5 is smaller than 8. So what should we do now? We'll borrow 1 10 from tens place. So after borrowing, this 5 will become 15 and this 4 will become 3 tens here. Now we got here 15 and 3 in the tens place. Now we can subtract this. Now 15 minus 8. So we get here 7 and 3 minus 2 we get here 17. So 17 is the answer after subtraction. So 17 is called the difference. Now here are few examples. Let's see this. Now here we have two numbers 72 and 36. We have to subtract 36 from 72. So 72 is called the number and 36 is called the subtrahend. Now let's solve this. Now in the ones place we have this 2 and 6. From 2 we cannot subtract 6 because 2 is smaller than 6. So what should we do now? We'll borrow 1 10 from tens place. So after borrowing, this 2 will become 12 and this 7 will become 6 in the tens place. Now let's solve this. This 12 minus 6. So we got here 6 and here 6 minus 3. We got here 36. So we got the answer 36. So 36 is called the difference. Now children, one more example is here. We have two numbers 60 and 47. We have to subtract 47 from 60. Now in the ones place we have this 0 and 7. From 0 we cannot subtract 7 because 0 is smaller than 7. From smaller number we cannot subtract the bigger number. So what should we do now? We'll borrow 1 10 from tens place. So after borrowing, this 0 will become 10 and this 6 will become 5. Now let's subtract this. 10 minus 7 will be 3 and 5 minus 4 will be 1. So we got here answer 13. So 13 is called the difference. Now children, come to your maths classwork notebook. See, this is your classwork notebook children. Now from the new page, write down question number 2. Subtract the following. In the previous class, we have done question number 1. So today we'll do question number 2. Now after leaving one line and from the next line, leave two boxes, write question number A, T, O. Then leave this line for writing the borrowing. And then in the next line, write down 82 minus 36. Now we have to subtract 36 from 82. Now in the ones place we have this 2 and 6. From 2 we cannot subtract 6 because 2 is smaller than 6. From the smaller number we cannot subtract the bigger number. So what should we do now? We'll borrow 1 10 from the tens place. After borrowing, this 2 will become 12 and this 8 will become 7. Now let's subtract this. 12 minus 6 will be 6 and 7 minus 3 will be 4. So we got the answer 46. Now children, I will explain you question number C. Here we have two numbers 40 and 18. Now in the ones place we have 0 and 8. From 0 we have to subtract 8, but 0 is smaller than 8. So what should we do now? We'll borrow 110 from the tens place. After borrowing, this 0 will become 10 and this 4 will become 3. So let's solve this. 10 minus 8 will be 2 and 3 minus 1 will be 2. So we got the answer 22. So 22 is called the difference and here 46 is called the difference. Now children, question number B and D you have to solve in the maths classwork notebook. You have to do this question number 2 in the maths classwork notebook. Now children, this worksheet number 1, here 4 sums are given, and this worksheet number 2, here also 4 sums are given, and this both the worksheet you have to solve as a homework in your maths classwork notebook. Okay, thank you children.